Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Corolla. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control system, intermittent wipers, wheel covers, outside temperature gauge, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find backup camera, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, power steering, beverage holders, reclining seats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.